Hey guys, Mike with A&M. Today we are going to tear down this shed. This shed has the roof already caving in, and I don't know if we can just pull it down with the chain or we're just gonna break it up with a sledgehammer and take it all away and then take it to the dump. So that's what today's video is. Stay tuned. All right guys, we are just gonna try to knock these doors off first, then knock some of this plywood off, but as you can see, it's already half fallen down. The roof is just completely gone. And something I didn't see from the picture is there's a carport here, so we told them it was gonna be a little bit extra to get all that taken away. So now we're just gonna start tearing it apart. All right guys, we got that all knocked down. It only took us about 30 minutes. All right guys, so that took us about 30-45 minutes to completely tear down that shed. And obviously we had 4 guys, which really helped, and we all worked really hard, but it really was a pretty simple job overall. And then he actually kept all the cinder blocks, so we didn't have to take those either, because I mean, they're brand new cinder blocks and why get rid of them? So overall it worked out good, and we took everything to the dump. So now we have an empty truck, and then, you know, it's only 11 o'clock, so we have the rest of the day to do anything else. So works out pretty good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then hit that notification button. And thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.